What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on math. Yes, I did cover this crypto yesterday, but it's pumping right now. It keeps going up in value, as you can see 140% up in the last 24 hours, making it 36 cents right now. So yeah, it's been doing very well. So where is it heading to next? Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop down in value? A lot of people have been asking me, should I invest into it right now? Is it too late? So that is also what I'm going to be going for in today's video, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it too late to invest? Should you avoid it at all costs? Because the way it's performing right now is not really sustainable. As you can see, it's pumped up 140%, which is not really normal. We would expect it to drop back down anytime soon. So if so, when is that going to take place? And I'm going to give you guys my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, how high and how low can math go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So according to Coinbase, math is a top gainer in the last 24 hours, and it was yesterday as well. So it's been gaining value quite consistently. Over the last hour itself, managed to gain a massive 10% in value. Over the last day, 140%. We can see it peaking all the way up to about 49 cents very early this morning, and then it dropped all the way down to 23 cents, and right now pumping back up in value. Over the week, 186%, and over the month, massive 165%. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 2,500% in the last 24 hours, making it $34 million in trading volume, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on math at the moment. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto. As you can see, 95% buy against 5% sell is because obviously not many people knew about this crypto about 2, 3, 4 weeks ago, but because it's been gaining a lot of value, it's been getting a lot of attention, more and more people are looking into it, looking at the project, looking at if it's worth investing into it. But again, for me anyway, at the moment, it is a very high risk investment, only because it's gained so much value, is very likely to drop anytime soon. So let's get straight into it and see what its next target is. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide it, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So again, we've also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing math at 17 cents. However, it is trading at more than double its value at 36 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, as usual guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, minimal gains in value are again expected. We got the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, going in a positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. But again, dips are always part of the process, as I keep mentioning guys. Whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase, just like this one here, it has to drop back down in value. I told you guys in yesterday's video, when it was pumping, do expect it to drop down anytime soon, and that is exactly what's taking place. It literally dropped all the way down to around 23 cents, so literally less than half its value in a space of a couple of hours, and right now it is pumping back up in value, even though I am expecting it to go above the 40 cents target over the next few hours. Again, same thing applies, do expect it to drop back down in value as well, just like what's happened previously. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, we've got the blue line and the orange line slightly heading towards the positive direction. Again, it's not looking too steep, it is just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning very minimal gains in value are expected over the coming days. So towards mid next week, we should expect it to more or less fluctuate at the current price range of about 35 to 36 cents is what I'm expecting. But again, I'm expecting more red days for the remaining of this week. So over the weekend, we should expect it to drop down to about 30 cents, or even below that, 20 to 25 cents, and then potentially peak back up in value. It's going to be very volatile. As you can see, if I zoom out a little bit, we can see it's been up and down all over the place. It's been very volatile, and that's what's likely to carry on over the next couple of days as well. Now Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We are looking very, very bullish, guys. We've got the blue line and the orange line going in a steep bullish direction, which is not looking realistic. This basically is telling us over the next few weeks, do expect it to consistently, pump up in value, go for a bull run, so on and so on. But again, that is not what I'm predicting. More or less, it's going to drop back down to around its average value, which is the SMA indicator. Around the 17 to 20 cents target is what I'm expecting it to drop down to over the coming weeks. So around, let's say, late July to early August, we should see a much lower value than what it's worth at the moment, unless there is a major updates or major news that come across that can have a major impact on the value of math in a positive way. Anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But so far, we are not looking too great. I'm expecting it to drop down in value. And for those of you asking, is it too late to invest? Personally, yes, it is, because of the huge increase that's taking place right now. I'm expecting it to drop down in value. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But again, just a little announcement for those of you guys who are interested in daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin. I have made a Telegram group chat for you guys. You can join that using the link in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone. So there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. So what does this group chat include? So you're going to get put into two group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I'll be posting daily price updates and predictions on cryptos like Bitcoin, on what to expect, is it moving in a positive or negative direction, and what price target it could essentially hit, and obviously and giving you guys analysis on different cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. But yeah, any questions, any queries before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, the link is again in the description box down below. So back to math we go. So as you can see, we are trading in the red zone. Yesterday we went so high that we're not very close to the green zone, but we're gonna have to hit at least around 88 cents for us to hit the green zone, and we did go all the way up to, let's have a look here, 65 cents. So we went all the way up to 65 cents, very close to this target here, but not long after that we dropped all the way back down to right now 35 cents. So we're gonna have to go through nearly more than double its value, so over 150% increase for us to hit the green zone, which I'm not expecting from math at the moment. But what I'm expecting is for it to drop below what it's worth at the moment, so going back down to around the 20 to 25 cents target, or even 15 to 20 cents target over the next couple of weeks. So more or less for the rest of the year, I am expecting us to trade into a the red zone, and potentially by, let's say, mid to end of next year we may be able to head into a green zone. But for now, it is likely that we will be trading in the red zone. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Just a quick update on math. Let me know what your expectations and your predictions are. Let me know how high and how low you guys predict math to go, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and a special thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing to the channel. As I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers, it means a lot when you guys hit that subscribe button, and helps me out a lot as well. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.